It's difficult to pick the best evening jol khabar, but when there's nothing in the kitchen, a potato comes in handy and you can make Aloor Chop. Do you prefer the roadside Aloor Chop or the homemade one? The taste is obviously a bit different. We rarely like to use garlic in our homemade version of Aloor Chop. My Aloor Chop has all that spunk, and sometimes I do like to add a bit of garlic. The roadside ones have a lot of garlic and the moshla is also very spicy. Back when I was working in the corporate setup, Aalu'r Chop with Muri and kacha lanka in a paper bag called thonga was an evening must-have. A cup of cutting chai along with it made the jol khabar even more special.